Hi everyone. So in this session, we are going to cover how to use Marxx Aura to take in any image or any inspiration that you have and convert that into a carousel Instagram ad, or be it a carousel LinkedIn post, or any kind of carousel that you want to do just with a couple of clicks. So this is how at Marxx people use Aura. So when you go on the top left and you see Aura, you go to My Aura and you click on Create New Aura. So this Create New Aura will start with a start node. This is the beginning of a node. It helps Aura understand that when you run this workflow, it's going to run from this specific node, right? Once you have done that, you can just drag from this point to do whatever thing you want to do, right? Or you can also click on this plus sign to add any node that you want to do in a workflow manner at Aura. So let's say we want to take in any image, any product image of any product that I have and create a carousel ad around that, right? So this is how I will approach this. For this use case, we are going to pick a company and a product. The company I have picked is Nike, and the product is their matte lipstick. So first thing that I'll do intuitively is to upload an image, right? Understand using AI what that image is. I'll try to understand which is the right persona for which I need to create an ad. We'll think through with the AI agents that we have in this Aura, and finally we'll come up with a concept around carousel ad. So first thing I do is upload. There are a couple of ways to do it. You click here and you click on upload, or you type U and you will see an upload button. So that's the first step. Next, I'll need to click on this upload button and upload Nika Cosmetic Matte Lipstick. So I uploaded it in the Aura workflow, and this is how it looks like. Now, once I have this uploaded on the canvas. Next thing I want to know is more about the product. So I'll take in their website and then try to understand from their website what this product is all about. So I have copied the product link. Next thing I need to do is a placeholder, a text where I can just add this particular website and then add a generate text node, which will help me use an AI model. There are multiple AI models already integrated. To scrape a website, I'm going to use Gemini 3.1 Pro because that works best in terms of scraping a website or a specific link. I'm going to use web search for it, and then going to write a prompt that will take in this text and then generate what is inside the website. Now that I have a prompt already written, what I'm going to do, I'm just providing a URL to this particular model and asking them to analyze this page and detailed summary they need to output here. The output format is just about the product. Next thing I'll do is I'll quickly run this to get the website scraped. While this is happening, I want to understand what persona is actually the right persona to build this model. So I'm again going to use an AI text generator going to use the best model GPT 5.2, and then trying to understand who is the right persona to whom we should target, right? So here I'm going to write a prompt, simple prompt that will tell the particular AI model to analyze the content. What content exactly is the content that we got from the last step about the product, right? Analyze the content and give me a persona that we think we should make this ad for. This is the output format. Next thing I'm going to do is just go through it once to see they have actually scraped it or not. So you can see creamy matte long wear lipstick, exactly the product that I wanted to be scraped, and it has done it beautifully. So we are good so far. The next thing I'm going to do is quickly understand what is the right persona who is going to use the model. So now the AI model has extracted a name called Aisha, age 24, and a little bit about her different ambitions and what she does in life, and so on, what the needs are, what her pain points are, and so on. Next thing I need to do is generate a prompt that will create these carousels. So I'm going to do now is again add a generate text node, connect this particular persona along with what the product is, and then ask it to create a prompt again, connect the image as well, and then write a prompt to generate a carousel. So I'm just going to paste a prompt which asks the AI to generate a carousel now, and they need to give 5 slide carousel. We can change that to any number we want, to give 5 image prompts, and this is how the output will look like. Image 1, what's the prompt? Image 2, what's the prompt? And so on. So I'm going to choose a model for that. I'm going to choose a Gemini 3.1 Pro for this specific task, and I'm going to click on generate text. While this is happening, what I'll do is I'm going to add image node now to start generating images. I need 5 images to be generated, so I'm going to create 5 image nodes, one for each carousel. Easy way to do this is just type I and the image node spawns, and you just connect this particular node with the image node, right? So we have added 4. I'm just going to add one more to it to create those 5 carousels. Now you will see it has already given me all the images and what is exact image prompt that I need to generate here. So once I have created these 5 different image nodes, I'm going to give it what it needs to do, right, which is generate these images. I'm also going to give it a reference of that image as well, so that it knows exactly for which image it is going to create an ad, like carousel post, right? And it's as simple as just dragging it from here and putting it back to the image nodes. Now all I need to do is ask this image generation to write, to take in the image 1, image 2 in this case, image 3 in this case, and generate an image. So as you can see, I've written down the prompt, just simply saying pick image 1 and create first card of the carousel, image 2 and second card, and they should also link it to the first card because it should be continuous, the carousel should be continuous. Next, I'll quickly pick a model for generation of image. I'm going to use Nano Banana Pro. I have other options as well. I'll use Nano Banana 2 in this case to start generating the image, right? Just click on this generate image to start generating the image. Same, I'll choose a model here and start generation. And that's it, right? So now I have a carousel post that talks about different aspects of the product, showing different features and a clear CTA of how the product looks like here. The best part about this workflow is you can fine tune and add more specific branding based on your specific brand. Wherever if you see, if you want to tune or change any image, you have a tools button that allows you to do multiple things, including removing background, upscaling it, outpainting it, relighting it, zoom out, zoom in, and animating these different images as well, right? So that's where you get it. But the real power comes once we have made this workflow. Next time, all you need to do is change an input, run the entire thing. I'll connect start node as well, run the entire thing, right? And then get the output as a carousel post. So you instantly can create 20 to 100 carousel posts each product, and you can quickly test it out on